supplies are pretty basic: yarn, some ice, and if you want to put a handmade tag in the back, and a glue gun to glue all these pieces, and of course candy canes. Let's get started. We'll start with a magic ring. Wrap around your middle finger, the tail going in front of the working yarn, let it go, grab the working yarn and chain 1. Now we'll do 4 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tighten your magic ring, but not too much because it tightens that first stitch as well. So you can put here a little marker just for that first row if you don't want to lose the beginning. And now we can go into that first stitch and do 2 single crochets into it. And now you can tighten your magic ring even better. And we'll do 2 single crochets into each stitch for a total of 8 stitches, which means we're increasing here in each stitch. 4, 6, 8. And from now on, we will not be increasing anymore. We'll just go in a continuous spiral for about 13 more rows, or till that little pocket fits over your finger. And just like that, we are going into that first stitch again. We're moving our marker, or you can remove your marker here if you don't want to keep track of it like this, and do 1 single crochet into each stitch. And we just go without any slip stitches or anything. We are working in a spiral. And I'll meet you in about 15 rows altogether. Alright, here it is. It fits over my finger just fine. And I like it when I put the little candy canes. They stay just fine. So I think I'll stop over here. But if you want it higher, you can go higher. And over here, I will chain about 15. Here I have the hanging part here, and I'll go back into that stitch, and I'll do 2 more single crochets here just to secure my loop. And into that next stitch, I'll just do a slip stitch, and I'll finish my pocket. All right, so here it is, and you just can go inside the little deer and make a little chain into one of the loops there so it's secure. You can do the same thing at the beginning with the little tail that we start, so your magic ring does not come apart if you are afraid that this might happen. And now let's glue the eyes and make the nose. Yeah, for the nose, we'll do exactly the same thing. We'll do a magic ring again, chain 1 and 4 single crochets into the magic ring, and then the next row will increase to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We pull, and over here we do 2 single crochets into that first stitch, and 2 single crochets into each stitch for a total of 8 single crochets. And that will be it for the little nose. We'll just cut a longer tail so we can tighten it and to look around like a little nose. All right, so here I will leave a longer tail, and let me grab my tapestry needle. So with your needle, go through the front loops of the little nose and then pull it so you can tighten it into a little ball. Just grab the front loop only of your stitch. And once you pull it, it just makes this little round nose. And here your tail and beginning. This is our little nose. So from here, you can either use your glue gun and glue it, or you can sew it with, since you already have the needle. All right, so I'll just make a little knot so it doesn't unravel. All right, and let's glue them together. If you're afraid of damaging your surfaces, use those silicone craft mats and you can rest your glue gun there. Okay, so put the eyes and the nose. And on the back, I want to put my little handmade tag. And of course, you can sew it as well. And there it is. Let's get those candy canes in. And you can have a great stocking stuffer or a little tree decoration, just like that. All right, there'll be all helpful links in the description below, and I'll really appreciate it if you use my affiliate links. Enjoy your holidays, and I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye!